Alright guys, here it is. Snap-on toolbox update. Finally found some time. Got the diagnostic cart, Snap-on toolbox. Got the Epic 84 with the power drawer, workstation, 3 overheads, 2 60s and a 68, 2 side lockers. Got the Epic 60 with the drawers up top. Start with the diagnostic cart. Got the Toughbook laptop. Another laptop I use programming PCMs. I use the Veris Edge for a scanner. Wireless mouse, wireless keyboard with pocket scanners. This drawer I got the wireless printer hooked to the scanner. Got all the OBD1 connectors. Got the leads for the scope on the Veris. Amp clamp. I use a Bosch pass-through. Program all my modules, the wires. Extra wires in this drawer. First side locker. Knives, butane, air tool oil, fluids. Got my batteries, best temps batteries, bench test batteries, boxes. That's the brake fill tool, soldering gun. Here, got a wood burning tool, burn plastic, piston ring compressor, wires. Snap-on battery tester. Got the multi-probe. Put the light on. Predator vision. Another thermal gun. Got TPMS tool. Battery jumper. Got the propane. Some various tools here. Hub tool. And my box cutters. AC. Random stuff. Mini torches. AC sniffers, other tools, GM water pump tool. This is the Audi seal remover and installer, Audi Volkswagen. My Dremel tool, old timing light, brake tool. Head gasket checker, bad head gaskets, fuel pressure tester, cheap seal driver kit. There's the overhead. That's the stuff I use to clean the box. Battery tester, charger, little welder. Got my 4-gas analyzer. This drawer, scissors, zip ties. Got some lighters in there. Random stuff, old tablets, my old broken phones. Injector tank, cleaning injectors, exhaust back pressure tester. Airbrush tool gun in here. Some hoses. Tape and glue drawer. Wheel weights. Torque sticks. Extra extensions. Couple brake tools. Extra ratchets. Breaker bars. Torque wrenches. Got my mirrors. Pickup tools. Magnets. Fluid holders. Rag drawer and glove drawer. Some other random stuff in here. Punch and chisels. Files. Plastic pry tools. This big drawer. Got some of the new tools I haven't really put away yet. Label maker, Borescope. Got the came with the boxes. All the assortments. Snap ring, string tubing, fuses, sewing kit, Dremel kit. Pen drawer and paper. Sandpaper drawer for bodywork. Bodywork stuff. Fiberglass. Hardener. We got my respirator in here. Ear protection. Coolant fill buckets, Bondo. Electrical drawer. Another battery tester, spark tester, starter bump, multimeters, another TPMS tool, my measuring drawer. Brakes, got a tube bender, and a small rivet gun in there, heat gun, inner tie rod tool, it's an old strut tool for GM, grinders, more timing lights, grease gun, some more bodywork stuff, some straps. Middle overhead. Got my welding max. Hood light. Got the Texas twister in there. Spray. Hub tamer kit. Slide hammer. More lights. Let's go to the other overhead. Smart TV. Got the old snap-on brick there. Got the old Modus, snap-on Modus. Got a Tech 2. Fender covers, knee pads. Old laptop, still works. Battery jumper. This locker. Sawzall blades. Got the sanding cookies. Got hydraulic brake flaring tool. Got some drill bits, coolant pressure tester, master fuel injector fuel pump tester. Got another fuel coolant tester here, snap-on. 3-jaw puller, some other specialty tools. Power probe 3. Everybody's got that. These come out. Got the O2 sockets. Got a compound tester, compound meter, and a compression tester. This is the caliper tool for brakes, rear brakes. Coil compressor, don't really use that. Ball joint adapters, ball joint kit. Got the amp pound, bits. Set of Torx, long. Let's see, down here, the funnel kit, not spilling oil, power probe, lead kit, got airlift, it's a coolant fill, snap-on coolant fill. Tap and die set. You've seen one, you've seen them all. HP meter. Check your old batteries. Got power probe hook. Good tool. Vacuum pump. Got an old Borescope camera. AC kit, check and die for leaks. UV lights. Got your chassis ears. This drawer, it's got short finder. We got Chrysler harmonic balancer remover tool and installer. Another harmonic balancer tool and power steer. You can use that for steering wheel or power steering pumps and steering wheels. Got the Chrysler harmonic balancer remover tool. Double filling tool. Another harmonic balancer puller. Tailpipe extender or expander. My stepper bits. Serpentine belt tool. Wheel lock, hex sockets, torque sockets, triple square sockets, stud extractor kit, long Torx, long Allen, metric, standard. Just a little precision pliers and all that. Relay switch tester. This is a tie rod tool. Tie rod. That's a bike chain tool. Got the spark plug remover for the 3-valve Fords. AC pulley remover, clutch remover. Axle sockets for European cars, extractor kit, more triple squares, plug tool. Just to check tint. That's that one. Got the relay buddy, big kit. We got tire sockets, lock sockets, Noid light, brake flare, some more axle socket tools, European. Just smaller versions of regular sockets. Another coolant tester, body hammer set. Only used a couple hammers out of here. This is all different sizes of ring compressor tool, piston ring. Compression testers. That's the other locker. There's the power drawer. Snap-on 3/8 quarter. The bit, the buffer, drill, saw, the long 3/8, the 90 drill, 90-degree drill, a small 3/8 and quarter. Got all the batteries, the chargers, the DeWalt Sawzall. There's the socket drawer. I got almost any socket you need. Old GM water pump tool socket. Wrenches. Pliers, snap ring pliers, vice grips, needle nose, long, wire strippers, hose clamps, tin snips, crescent wrench, it's a screwdriver drawer, nut drivers too. My bits, batteries, solder, quick connect tools, razor blades, clutch alignment tools, little relays, more drill bits, Allen keys, filter cups, filter pliers, wire brushes, hammers, some more specialty stuff over there. Air drawer. Spray guns. There's the overhead workstation. Alright guys, that's the rundown. I believe every box, every drawer. Subscribe, comment if you want to see more, or any of the boxes opened or used or reviews on them.